Alright, y'all. I'm about to show y'all some real spiritual, supernatural stuff that I caught on my Ring doorbell camera as I was, going through the footage, editing it. Now, right here, you see two lights, and I caught them in slow motion as they were moving. Look, right up here above, my porch ceiling, you see a black object, winged object, right there. Right where the lights were at, the two lights, two orbs, kind of look like two eyes, two entities of light, just right there. But remind you, there's no cars parked over there. That's the side of somebody's house, right up here at the top of the porch. Now you see the two lights manifest and move to the porch. You see a head, you see a body, and you see them manifest. Right there, moving. Bang. They move from right there to the porch. This is when the light goes black. It never does that on the porch. The porch light stays on all night. Look, they moving right there, just sitting there. Then they move closer. That's what they look like when they move closer. But you see an actual solid figure. I had to do this in slow motion, to catch it. And bang, moving. Yeah, it's deep. Wow. Look, the whole porch goes dark. And if you look at the bottom left of my porch, you'll see like two little glowing eyes right there, right? Pay attention real close. Look, the camera blurs out right here. It blurs out. Watch the timestamps too. Camera blurs out. You see two kind of eyes as it blurs out right here at the bottom of the left-hand side of the porch. Now I'm going to show you when it turned into, look, right there, turn into a solid object. Look, see a face? Its eyes go dark. Same spot. Eyes dark, you see a head. Look, you see like right there at the bottom of the porch, you see multiple eyes, and then it turn into a solid object and go dark. They're not glowing anymore, but you see it right there. Right there. Solid. Now you see these shadow figures at the bottom of the porch as well. Now you see where that light is. You see there's nothing over there. There's no cars. There's no light over there. And look, the camera will just blur and glitch out at the times that they're moving, but you have to catch them in slow motion. Now look right here to the left, coming out the side of the wall. You see something like with a tail going up to the top of the porch, disappears. You gotta catch it in slow motion. That's why I did the video like this and screen recorded it so I can show y'all in real time what's actually happening. Watch the date, watch the timestamp. I'm going back and forth just so you can see. Then you see this blue light appear over there where the glowing orbs of light were. But I think that light is just a reflection of, it might be from the Ring doorbell. But look, whatever this is flying across the screen, there's no explanation for that. Look at the timestamp as I go back and forth in slow motion. Because you got to really move in and out to catch it. Look, you see the feet, wings, tail. Yeah. Look, it's moving. What might that be, y'all? It don't bother me, it scared me. But it's very real. Watch the movements. Watch the left side of the screen right there coming out the side of the wall. Interesting, ain't it? Look, bang, bang, bang. What is that? And it seems like around the time that the movement is happening, the porch light will go completely out. You can catch these background lights. Whatever's come past. Look at it. Right there to the left. Wow. A lot of things happening. All on the same day. 6/2. At little after midnight. And before. Look at this. Look at it. Look at it. You see the lights disappear in the background. But a lot of activity in this one little spot. They appear, reappear, disappear. Movement. You gotta have a spiritual eye and patience to catch these things. But these are things I've been seeing my whole life, you know? Everybody be thinking somebody crazy, but, it's the age of Aquarius, the age of information, and apocalypse just means a great revealing. I'm telling y'all, after that solar eclipse, we're gonna start seeing a bunch of supernatural, strange things come about.